here. She's actually the one that does that. Oh boy. As you can see, but there's, wow, did you see? Wow, she's gone. And I'm house hunting. I'm just waiting for the estate agent. So yeah, that's just wait for the estate agent to come. Hello.
Hola.
This is my guardian angel, the estate agent. Film me.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Really?
So yeah, I looked everywhere in Portugal, couldn't find anything that really suited me. It was all so expensive and it didn't really meet my needs. Here we are in South Spain, 1 hour from Seville. Had about a 3.5 hour journey in the end, and I looked at the house and it was not bad. So whenever you buy a property, you've got to check everything works. On the roof, that's the car park, that's the swimming pool.
De nacionalidad holandesa, divorciado, jubilado, vecino de Marchena con domicilio en la parcela 100 por suelo y con...
Okay. Yep. It's all sandy there, and with all this rain, it's going to be like hell driving through there, I think. Okay. Living in a home in the heart of the country. Heart of the country where the holy people go. Heart of the country where the grass is in the meadow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Where? Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh, fuck me.
Espérate, vamos, lo voy a cablear yo por fin.
I'm in my own home in Spain, and it's it's amazing. It's amazing. It's a good feeling, but there's so much for me to do here. The electricity's not working because there's been so many floods. Not one of my favourite hobbies, this, but yeah, it's got to be done. I mean, just have to try to get it by the roots, because the way it saves you, I have to do it a second time. Hello, who are you? You want to come in? Do you think he's a puppy? I think he looks like his feet are a bit big and. God. concrete out, and there's a concrete floor there. So just got to keep moving on without panicking.
Okay, give me a.
So I'm quite happy with the result of these Valencia stones. Well, folks, I am in the outside bathroom. I've got a hot tap on. I'm just about to turn on the hot tap here, and we're going to find out whether anything leaks. Nothing seems to be leaking. So now, dare I turn the thing on? Ooh, scary. Scary, scary, scary. I don't even know how it works. Good morning. We're back again. Ooh, it's very deep. You don't want to fall down there. Anyway, look. I just looked in the back of the pipe. I removed this, and yeah, there is definitely a small cut in the pipe. I don't honestly know how that happened, but it needs to be fixed. So, ladies and gentlemen, this has been fixed. It's just crazy.